Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, select Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!